And what's up, guys? So yep, this happened, but no biggie. Got the new one today, and I'm about to post a video and see how I do it. It isn't pretty hard, so let's get this done. Don't mind the rib seats, gonna get it done as well. Alright, so this is off already. So now that the door handle itself is off, there's no need to take out the door panel. There's this little circle thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, there we go. That little circle thing. Go ahead and take that off. It's just like a cap. There we go. You see that L key? Loosen that up. That's gonna loosen up the keyhole. You can take that out. Oh wow, it looks like it's been worked on before. So I got a new key cap, so that solves that. I have to clean that up a little, but you loosen that up, this loosens up. You can pull that out a little and then come in with the door handle. Let me clean this up real quick. Alright, so cleaned it up a little. You know, it still need a little bit more, but I just want to go ahead and put on the door handle for now. Like I said, there's gonna be that. Go ahead and loosen that up. Where is it? Right there. Trying to do this one hand. Loosen it up. Let me just do it real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so what you gotta do is loosen it up to the point where you're able to spin it with just your finger, if you're able to stick your finger in there. Just enough, loosen it up enough where you can take this out, but not let the bolt fall down in the door. Then you're pretty much screwed. But what I did was just pretty much just spin it with my finger and pulled out at the same time until this was released, and I know that it was still on, the bolt was still on there. So be careful not dropping the bolt, guys. So after that, it's pretty much straightforward. If you have your old gaskets, go ahead and use those because the new ones don't come with gaskets. But here it is. It's a new one. And then I got the new keyhole right here. I'm gonna use this one because obviously this one broke or something, so they had to glue it. But yeah. So you guys can see this little gap right here. Shit, hold on. That little entrance, well, that's gonna go in like that. Go in like that. Make sure that you're gonna feel it going to like a little, I don't know, this little pin or something that goes inside between these two things. You'll feel it. Just push it straight in. There we go. And then go ahead and pull the keyhole out.
The music. I can see that.
Okay, so put the step, get the keyhole out the way. Get that in there. So once you get this in there, you're gonna have to push it outwards so you can get the little latch. It's just a little metal thing inside there. You can get the latch. So this will be the metal thing, right? Like that. You can get the it's gonna go in like that. If you push it inwards, you can get the latch around it and then push it back and it'll snap in place and you're good. It'll work and open the door. So let me try to go ahead and do that for you guys. There it is. There it goes. Alright. So there it goes, you see? So all you're gonna have to do is go in that way, push it in the other way, make sure the keyhole is a little bit removed like that. Just push down. So when you go in like that, the latch is gonna hit the little metal thing that's supposed to be stuck with, so when you pull it out, it's gonna unlock the door. Once you feel that, push it back out and make the latch go around it, and then push it back in, and there we go. You see? Wow, baby. So here it is. It's all done. Works like a charm. Alright, let me go ahead and put this thing back together, and then that's pretty much it, guys. When you guys vinyl wrap this, it's the same process. Loosen that up, pull the keyhole out, push outwards, bring the latch around the metal thing, and it comes right off. It's really isn't that hard. So let me just go ahead and finish this up. Alright, so the keyhole was tightened back up, and trying to remove the plastic. I like doing this. Wow, there it is. I'll probably leave that in the plastic on just for a while. And you see, go ahead and I tighten back up the bolt, put the little plastic cap on. All we need is a little key thing. There it is. Now we got a door handle again. There it goes. Literally like 10 minutes. Alright, guys.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys for our channel. See you next time.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Silly you.